Good evening, everyone. It is Wednesday night. High pressure keeping Texas dry. A new storm system bringing snow to the Cascades, Pacific Northwest, very unsettled and wet. That's typical for this time of year. Also, a storm system across the upper Midwest and Great Lakes region, bringing a band of heavy snow potentially through midnight tonight for areas in North Dakota, South Dakota, and into Minnesota, and a couple of showers across the deep southeast area. By tomorrow morning, we start seeing more active weather, a mix of snow and ice in those purple and orange shaded areas of the Pacific Northwest, up to a couple of feet of snow in the Cascades east of Seattle, and heavy snow all the way into Wyoming, and still a pretty good storm system in the Great Lakes, and still some rain down in the deep south for your Thursday night, scattered showers, maybe a storm in southern Florida. Otherwise, still quiet over Texas, still stormy with wintry weather over Michigan, the upper peninsula of Michigan there, Pacific Northwest and into the northern Rockies. And by Thursday night into Friday, still active Pacific Northwest, Great Lakes, and down into the southeast. A couple of storms may fire up tomorrow night in Alabama, northern Florida Panhandle region from New Orleans to near Tallahassee and extending into southern portion of Georgia. That's what we're looking at. For Texas, there will be pieces of energy that will move across the Lone Star State. This will create some gusty winds. This will be in the Thursday morning, tomorrow morning. There'll be a strong wind field across Texas Panhandle region, and we're going to see a little cool front come in. I don't expect we'll see any rain, but some fog and drizzle possible, and then that disturbance will weaken, track across Oklahoma and into North Texas. Another piece of energy approaches the Panhandle, our next front, Friday night into Saturday morning. And this is not a radar. This is what's showing the energy. All the storm systems will be up across the north. Do we have anything that matches up on radar? Well, at this point, the radar view is showing in that same time frame a fairly quiet weather pattern. Some fog and drizzle across the deep Gulf area for tonight. It's going to take you through tomorrow morning. We don't see anything except some drizzle along the coast. Fog is possible. We'll see some snow falling in the northern Rockies by Thursday mid-morning. We'll watch that band. Otherwise, it's wind across the Panhandle that we will be watching, and snow in the Rockies, a couple of showers, and maybe some scattered storms around New Orleans, as I showed you on that last image. Most of Texas, other than drizzle, will be dry through Friday morning. That's it for now, and I hope you have a great night.